Hello, pure souls. Welcome to my channel. Let's see what message is coming for you today. Before I read a card, uh, always I'm saying just do Om chanting. So, trying to always doing Om chanting, uh, minimum 5 to 10 minutes a day. So, it's healthy for you and your mental healthness also. So this helps you a lot and some kind of blessing coming in your way. So work with uh, this amethyst pebble. So it's help you a lot when you connect with it. So I don't know whoever message is this, but you have to connect with amethyst crystal. So this is helpful for your mind, your crown chakra's health, and as well as Zikron, or other name is I didn't remember right now. So Zikron is helpful for your grounding or your root chakra health. So if you uh, work with both crystals, Zikron and amethyst, so it's a marvelous combination of your whole body, because it provides protection and it provides grounding as well as cosmic connection. So and all kind of obstacles going to remove, and lots of happiness, lots of wellness, lots of purity uh, coming in your way when you connect with it. And also pyrite, amethyst and zikron. This is the to uh, combination to bring success, bring health, bring wealth, and whatever you want to achieve it. So this combination helps you to grow. So I don't know whoever out there, but if you resonate with this message, so just connect with those crystals, especially pyrite, amethyst, and zikron. This combination is marvelous for your energy and bring balance for you. And if you have money problems, so it also resolve, because pyrite uh, represent money magnet, and it also brings lots of money. And zikron also giving the grounding. And if you are shipping person, so zikron is the best crystal for you. And if you are channeler, or if you are some kind of headache, some kind of energies coming in your head, or they are trying to connect with your mind, so amethyst helps you to stop, and lots of things going to be stable, and your thoughts going to be stable too. So these crystals, amethyst, zikron, and pyrite, they those are going to remove all kind of obstacles into your life, from your life, sorry. So this helps you a lot and lot. So and lots of money coming into your way. So just get it as soon as possible, those crystals, because lots of money coming into your way. And if you want money, and if you manifest money, so you have to protect those money too. So just take care of your health and your money, so you have to buy those crystals. I'm going to pick one card. So the Empress. You are the manifestor one. You are the Empress. You know how to shine. You know where is uh, where is something. So whatever, maybe Om, or some kind of cosmic sounds, or some kind, I don't know. There is something big, there is something big, and you know where is it. So you have to be protected, and your energy also gives you these things. So if you attract these crystals, if you think this is the best for you, you can purchase. You will definitely, this helps you a lot, and you will save. And whatever your pain is, it's going down and down and down, and you will be okay. And you are the empress one. You know where is money, where is happiness is yours. So only you have to attract. This is the main main motto. This is not the right word, but you have the power to attract the right thing. So just use it. You are the you have the empress energy. So you have a calm mind. Just do meditate. There is some message, download it if you want to implement it. So just implement it. uh, Little bit you have to work, you have to do some work, and at, maybe you experience these things. A little work gives you lots of things. If you don't, so it will come soon. So you have to be careful and protected before it comes. So yeah, your right leg, you have to take care of it. If you have some kind of injury or pain, there is rashes or redness. So uh, just uh, just take care of it. And if you what can I say, if you want to go to hospital to proper checkup, so go ahead. But not that much kind of things or injury there. But if you want, so you go ahead. uh, it will be fine soon. And your hand has something. So this is this is the message or something. Just work with it. But your hand has something. So, and you have to wear some kind of bracelet or something. Don't uh, what can I say, just put one bracelet in your hand. Left and right, it's totally up to you, but you have to wear something in your hand. So or wrist. So this is the message for someone. And before I stop the reading, just trying to enjoy your whole journey. uh, right now you have a big energy, and this energy gives you lots of things. So just recall good memories, and just enjoy yourself. And because you have a calmness, but smile is missing. So just just do something for your enjoyment and attract good things because of your smile. So this is the message for someone. I'm going to stop here. Thank you so much. Love and light. Live a happy, healthy life. Thank you.